Hey guys, today's Friday Fixes is about organizing your DIY decor projects. I know when I'm working with clients and we're trying to coordinate a lot of different factors. We're coordinating flooring, wall color, fabrics for couches and window treatments, and then accessories. It can be a little overwhelming. So here's a couple tips that I want you to try when you are handling your own remodeling decor project. And it's super simple. So the first thing I want you to do is save a little pouch from linens. When you buy linens, maybe, whatever it is, pillowcases, save the little pouch because this is the perfect thing to keep all of these fabric samples in as you're working through your project. So you want to make sure that you have a swatch of window treatment fabric. Okay, so if you're working towards something and you can get a sample of it, you want to take that, you want to put it in your pouch. Then the next thing is you got fabric samples from your couch. Make sure that the company can give you a piece. So you've got that in your bag. Then maybe this is the trim you're putting on your window treatments, or it's something that you like. Maybe you want to explore with it. Toss it in. You've got an accessory color that you really love, this shade of spa green, and you want to make sure that everything else coordinates with it. Toss it in the bag. And don't forget about your hard surface window treatments, blinds and shade samples perhaps. So don't feel bad about asking the company if they can send you a sample, and then this way you have them in your bag. Now, if you don't have a sample that you can take with you, maybe you want to match it up to a paint color on a strip of paint. So that's another option. And then lastly, when it comes to the wall color, I like to take the can of paint and I will dip the paint stirrer in the can, let it dry, and then take the paint stirrer with me so I have the color. Sometimes those paper swatches get all wrinkled and bent. I like to see it right on a paint stick. Now you toss all of that stuff in a little bag, and then on the label on your bag, it's awesome because you can just label everything. Living room, 2018 is when you did it, and you've got Waverly fabric called Seascape. Your sofa, you found it at Bassett, the color Seafoam. You've got blinds in alabaster or birch. You're not sure which colors you want. And then lastly, you've got the color of the wall paint. This one was Latte by Bear, and it's in a satin finish. So this way, you've got all your goodies with you when you're out shopping and building that color palette. And then when the project is over, you can just leave this aside, minus your cute decor frame. And you know that you've got all of your colors and patterns together. If you ever need to go back and do a touch-up, you've got it all organized.